To set up Google Assistant in your Samsung Galaxy A07, go to Google and tap on the profile icon and scroll down and go to settings, and from here you will find Google Assistant. Go there and find General. Here it is. Go to General and enable the toggle next to the Google Assistant. Turn on, go back once again and go to Digital Assistants from Google, and from here select Google Assistant. Once you have done it, after that go back and find voice match. Voice match is right here. Tap on that, click on setup. It will ask you to say some phrases, and after that you will be able to use Google Assistant with your voice too. Click on setup, click I agree. Okay Google, help me write a thank you note. And here you go, it is done already. So this is how you can set up Google Assistant on your Samsung Galaxy A07. If this video helps, make sure to subscribe this channel.